In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account region country in Creative Cloud. If you've moved to a new country or need your billing and store settings to reflect a different region, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to make that change and what to expect along the way. Start by opening a desktop browser and heading to adobe.com. Using a computer makes the account pages easier to navigate. If you're prompted to sign in, that's normal. Use the Adobe ID associated with the plan you want to update. Once you're on the site and signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It may appear as your avatar or a simple circle. Click it to open your account menu. From that menu, choose Manage Account. This takes you to your account overview, where Adobe groups your personal details, plans, and payment information. The page may ask you to verify your password again before showing sensitive settings. That extra step is for security, so go ahead and complete the verification if prompted. On the account page, scroll down to find the section related to your plan, payment details, or personal information. You're looking for the country or region setting. Depending on your account type, you might see it labeled near billing information or under a profile area. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct profile if you have multiple accounts or plans. When you see the option, click Change Region. This opens the flow to update your country or region. Read any on-screen notes carefully. Changing regions can affect your billing currency, taxes, available offers, and sometimes the availability of certain apps or services. In some cases, Adobe may require you to cancel your current plan and repurchase it in the new region, so your billing and licenses align with local requirements. If the change region option looks unavailable, it can mean your plan isn't eligible for a direct change on the page. In that situation, the account screen will usually guide you on what's required next. After you select your new country or region and confirm, give the system a moment to update. You may be asked to review new terms, select a local payment method, or verify your details again. If things don't refresh right away, try signing out and back in so your apps in the Creative Cloud desktop reflect the updated region. Keep in mind that pricing and renewal dates may adjust to match the new location. That's all there is to it. By starting at adobe.com, opening your profile, going to Manage Account, scrolling to the country or region area, and selecting Change Region, you can align your Creative Cloud account with your current location smoothly and confidently.